Piny Kenya yango ni ohala e kindgi kod pinje mantiere bwo riwruok mar COMESA medo nyuolo olemo ka mwandu mawuok e pacho ka itere pinje mag COMESA ne onyuolo duto yuto mar dola bilion 2.2. Kalore kod jagoro mongere migawo mar ohala Regina Ombam, Kenya medo keto kenge mag jiwo ohala gi COMESA e kinde ma imedo keti ikruok motel ne romo motis ni COMESA Summit ma ibiro bagi e pacho ka dwe mar 10 higani. Gisingo mar golo hinga ma osebedo kaduoko chien weche mag ohala e kinde piny Kenya kod COMESA.
Thank you very much. People have taken it very seriously upon themselves, and we are sure that we are going to maintain this that position.
In terms of Kenya's trade in the region, our exports in the COMESA region have been doing very well. I think in the last year we were already at 2.20 million US dollars in terms of what we export to the region, and this has been increasing over time, say from around 1.1 billion to 2.20 billion currently. So this is actually showing an increasing trend, an indication that we really have a good market within the region, and getting us also to start really thinking about how do we strengthen our competitiveness in this region in light of what is even happening globally now.
I believe that the summit that is coming ahead of us and the business-related engagements that will be taking place before will help our country to grow our exports beyond what we are doing right now. And the pride in import and export trade is we also believe that we also get a lot of imports coming in from COMESA, so that whatever the outcome is, it is win-win for COMESA and for ourselves.